The 9/11 conspiracy theory is a controversial belief that contends the 2001 terrorist attacks on the United States were not simply the result of Al-Qaeda's actions, but involved a hidden agenda within the U.S. government. These conspiracy claims propose that elements within American intelligence agencies or other government entities either allowed the attacks to happen or actively orchestrated them. Proponents often point to various alleged anomalies in the official accounts of the events, such as the collapse of World Trade Center Building 7, to support their assertions. However, extensive investigations by independent experts, government agencies, and international bodies have consistently refuted these claims, affirming that the attacks were executed by Al-Qaeda operatives without government complicity. The 9/11 conspiracy theory remains a fringe belief, largely unsupported by credible evidence and rejected by the mainstream consensus. So, what are your thoughts on it? Was 9/11 attack a terrorist attack or some sort of plan of U.S. government to fear their citizens? Please subscribe for more conspiracies.